So our journey with Let's Design team started towards the end of the last year. And within 100 days of we handed over the keys, we got the keys. A feeling of satisfaction, I would say. We were a bit skeptical when we started the journey. Let's Design was recommended to us by a friend. But over a period of time, the more we interacted with them, the more we understood them, we were clear that Let's Design is going to be designing our home. They really lived up to the brand name of theirs, Let's Design. They involved us in every aspect of designing, minute to minute, and then eventually they provided the home which we wanted. We were clear as a family that we wanted a house to be tadka, a perfect blend of both the functional elements as well as the aesthetics. They did it really well. Another thing which we really liked about the Let's Design team is the perfect coordination amongst themselves. They were clear that what they wanted to do, very good planning, execution, be it carpentry, woodwork, be it lighting, plumbing, electrical, everything was done seamlessly. In the nutshell, we can say Let's Design team is a perfect blend of thorough professionals who know what they want to do, and eventually we are a happy family residing here for the last 2 months now. Thank you.